Laura Robles, Trials Manager at Walters Gardens, and today we're here to talk to you about Kniphofia. This year we have introduced two brand new series of Kniphofia. One of them is our non-branded series, and the other one is our branded or proven winner series. Both series have excellent rebloom characteristics, start to bloom around July 1 here in West Michigan and continuing all summer long. They're also quite hardy, with many of the varieties being hardy down to zone 5B. There are a few exceptions that are hardy to zone 6. We offer three sizes of Kniphofia. Our 30 count liner we only offer Fire Dance in, and then we also offer a 72 count and grade 1 bare root material. The grade 1 bare root takes about 6 to 8 weeks to finish during the warmest times of the year. It can take up to 10 to 12 weeks at other times of the year. 72 count liners do take a little bit longer to get your fill, but this is a variety that does not require vernalization and can be planted even from a 72 count liner the same season as what you want to sell it in. Kniphofia is a variety that does grow best at warmer temperatures. We suggest 68 to 70 for growing, and you can hold it between 50 and 60 degrees. As I mentioned, it does not require vernalization, but it is beneficial. You will get a little bit more flowering and more uniform, consistent flowering if you do vernalize. So for vernalization, you want to provide temperatures below 45 degrees. Kniphofia prefers fertilization rates in kind of a moderate range. We recommend feeding at 100 to 150 parts per million nitrogen and measuring at a 2 to 3 EC using the pour-through method. It also does prefer a moderate range of pH, so pH in the range of about 5.5 to 6.5 is ideal for growing Kniphofia. When planting Kniphofia, if you're planting from a liner, you want to plant with the crown even to the soil line, and same thing with the bare root. You can see where the dead foliage remains from the previous season, usually a couple inches of that. You want to plant where that's just up above the soil with the crown right at the soil line, otherwise you can get rot. Kniphofia does benefit from long days. If you can provide 14 to 16 hours of long days, you will get a little bit faster bloom time on them. And Kniphofia can require PGR, especially to minimize your elongation of the flower stem. You can start with a uniconazole or some magic spray at about 5 parts per million, working up to about a 10 as the season progresses, or you can use paclobutrazol or bonsai in the 30 to 45 part per million range as a spray. Overall, Kniphofia are fairly disease and pest resistant. They do come up with a little bit of issue with aphids or thrips, spider mites from time to time, and then disease-wise you can encounter issues with botrytis, or we have found them also to get rust. But with preventative spraying, none of these are usually a problem. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our website for more tips.